students. Course 1.1.4. Course name is Language Across. Course 1.1.4. Course name is Language Across the Curriculum. Language across the curriculum. So what is language? भाषा की. Language is the meaningful sound unit which effectively serves the purpose of communication. Language, a meaningful sound and its purpose of communication among the human beings. Language is the medium of transmitting message through sound system. According to Sunit Kumar Chattopadhyay, language is the sound which the articulated by vocal organ or to express some emotion. তাহলে সুনীত কুমার চট্টোপাধ্যায় কি বলছে? ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইজ দ্য সাউন্ড হুইচ দ্য আর্টিকুলেট বাই ভোকাল অর্গান টু এক্সপ্রেস some emotion. It is highly acceptable in human society. The language is the meaningful sound unit which effectively serves the purpose of communication among the human beings. Among the human beings. Next, we discuss what is linguistic. Linguistic is the scientific study of language. Linguistic is the scientific study of language and its structure including the study of grammar, syntax and phonetics. Linguistic is the scientific study of language and its structure including the study of grammar, syntax and phonetics. Specific branch of linguistics include sociolinguistic, psychology linguistic, computation linguistics, comparative linguistics and structural linguistics. Linguistics is the scientific study of language and its structure included the study of grammar, syntax and phonetics. A specific branch of linguistics included psycholinguistic. Okay, what is grammar? Grammar is the way that word can be put together in order to make sentence. Grammar is the way that word can be put together in order to make sentence. In linguistics, grammar is the set of structural rules governing the composition of clause, phrase and word in any given natural language. So, the term refers also that the study of such rules and these fields include phonology, morphology and syntax. Okay, then often complement by phonetics and pragmatics, semiotics. Okay, what is first language and what is second language? I discuss, we will try. What is first language? First language is mother language. Definition of first language: language learning usually refer to first language acquisition, which studies infants learning of their native language, whether that is spoken language or according to Tom McCarthy, a Carlo is a pidgin with his become the first language of a community. What is second language? The second language acquisition is the most crucial phrase in one's professional life. Any language which learned after one has acquired the first language is known as second language. Normally, second language is given the status of official language by government. A second language is also the one which is learned by spoken. According to Mitchell Pearce, second language is a language learned by someone after they have acquired their first language or language in order the Phillips of particular communicative needs. Multi-language. What is multi-language? First language, second language, and multi-language. So, what do I say? What is first language? First language acquisition, which studies infants learn to their native language. And what is second language? Second language acquisition is the most crucial phrase in one's professional life. Any language which is learned after one has acquired the first language is one of as second language. Normally, second language is given the status of official language by government. And what is multi-language or multilingualism? Multilingualism is the use of more than one language either by an individual speaker or by a community of speakers. Multilanguage is become a social phenomenon governed by the need of globalization and cultural opinions. Owing to the case each of access to information facilitated by the internet, individual exposed to multiple languages in become increasingly frequent, thereby promoting a need of accurate additional language. Who is called a father of structure of modern linguistics? Ferdinand de Saussure was Swiss scholar who is regarded the father of structural language. This major function of language. Major function of language it is maintain language essentially serve the purpose of human communication. Philosophist Halliday has categorized that function of language three types. Intention function, textual function, and interpersonal function. Next, with language, one can face someone, and in the same way, one can hurt someone. With language, we can exchange views. Through the accept application of language, one can display the true identity of our mind. Language can be used to counsel through Voltaire once said, one great use of the word is to hide our thoughts. এগুলো ছিল ফাংশন অফ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ। নেক্সট যেটা আমরা আলোচনা করব সেটা হচ্ছে ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক অফ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ। ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইজ মিনিংফুল স্পিচ সাউন্ড। ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইজ মিনিংফুল স্পিচ সাউন্ড articulated by human vocal organs. Language serves communicative purpose. It enables to social beings to communicate with fellow human beings. Language always carries a message. Language always carries a message. A language is constituted by some sound. Language also appeals many, but it may not be universally acceptable. ওকে, এর উপরে আমি তোমাদের নোটের পিডিএফটা দিয়ে দেবো। তোমাদের প্রবলেম হলে আমাকে আমার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বারে জানাতে পারো কোথায় সমস্যা হচ্ছে। বেস্ট অফ লাক।